Don't look. Sasha Belyaeva. You notice I said that so under my breath and quickly. These are your favourite things.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try. We can but try. Favourite musician, band, artist,
no,
current and of all time. You're not going to do it.
No.
A general ballpark?
I mean, it's hard, no.
No, it's too hard.
Yeah.
Sasha was explaining before in the main interview that these judgment calls on art and artists and things are pretty impossible to do.
For me, I can't.
So, favourite song? No way. No album. Nothing like that. But you do like Tchaikovsky.
I do.
So we're putting Tchaikovsky quite high up on a list.
Okay, he's in a good position.
Wicked. Favourite movie? And none of these you're going to be able to do.
No.
You don't watch movies. No. You don't even watch them.
No.
You know nothing about movies.
No.
Complete ignorance in the movie sector. Okay. TV?
I do watch TV shows.
Okay, that's good.
They're easy. They're addictive.
Even better. Which ones have addicted you the most?
I like True Detective.
Wicked.
I love this one. I actually watched lots of them.
So we're doing True Detective 3 now, aren't we? What is True Detective again? The couples. There's a couple of cops.
Just every season is a different story.
But we're on the 3rd season.
Is it out yet?
No.
It's not yet.
No,
so I don't
but
know
you did
yet.
the first 2 seasons.
Yeah.
And what about those did you like? I thought when it started off, it was quite dark.
It is.
Especially the first one with the sort of...
I like first one as my favorite.
And did you like it because of Woody Harrelson and...
No. No, just because the story...
Yeah.
Everything is... It's dark, but it's like beautifully...
dark.
Yeah, they're just sort of beautiful dark and the philosophy of it. And you can see lots of different situations. Also all about experience again, because that season is pretty real. You can easily imagine it happening in real life. I just like this.
That's great. True Detective. Favorite actor? You don't know any, do you? Actress? No way. Model? No. It's you.
Me.
Designer? No way. Accessories? Okay, we can get into real things now. Because those are just highfalutin. Things that you might actually own.
Okay.
Favorite shoes?
My favorite shoes, dogs. I like my dogs.
Doc Martens. Can we show those to the camera? I mean, everyone knows what a Doc Marten looks like, but this is not a normal Doc Marten because,
I don't know.
Let's face it, the heel is bigger than normal.
Yeah.
And I don't believe the original Doc Martens had zips on the side.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so it's a new hybrid kind of thing.
Yeah.
A bother boot, but
I love them.
we call them bother boots in England. Bother, like bother.
Oh, got it.
Favorite? You gotta give me something because I'm putting this on the website and I know links, clickable links to shit. Bags. What's your favorite bag? You've got a bag down there somewhere.
This one is a Deagle bag. I guess this one is my favorite one.
Can I say?
Yeah, this one definitely my favorite one.
Okay, well that's really good. We're pushing brands. So that's...
Okay, we're pushing the Deagle today.
Yes, Zadig.
This is my favorite brand.
That's your favorite bag.
Now that's big, that's pretty.
Which
I like that.
Which season is that? Is that available now?
Yeah, it is.
It is. So I'm going to look that up online. Zadig and Voltaire, your favourite bag, and sunglasses. Do you even wear them?
Mm-mm.
You've never worn them?
I mean, I don't like that.
You don't like that?
It's a bit destructive.
I agree. Although I don't really agree because I'm wearing them all the time. Number 2, favourite shoes. We did the shoes.
We just did this, yeah.
Makeup. Do you wear it?
I do wear makeup sometimes, but...
Do you have a brand that you go and buy?
No, just all different. I just go to Sephora and it's like...
Sephora, whatever you like it.
And they're just pushing me something they paid for. I'm like, okay, I'm just getting it.
Wicked.
I'm very easy.
You're so easy. Perfume?
Chanel Chance. That's what I'm wearing.
Wearing right now?
Yeah, it's just like I'm changing them sometimes, but at the moment, this one is my favorite.
What's it called?
Chanel Chance.
Chance.
Well, in French, it's chance.
Chance.
Yeah.
La chance. In chance? Is it C-H-A-N-C-E?
Yeah.
I've never heard of that one.
That's really famous, actually.
Oh, okay, wicked. Shop. Do you go shopping?
I like Whole Foods. Is it a favorite shop?
That's one of mine too. There's a new one actually opened down there.
Perfect.
Yeah, one of those 365 ones. You know, they're doing little ones, which is a bit more their own brand. Online.
I don't shop online.
You don't shop online? You don't buy things on Amazon.com?
No. Last time I tried to buy something, it never came, so I don't do this anymore.
Good to know. City, place to live?
New York so far.
Yeah?
Just at the moment.
Yes, great. Restaurant?
But
Where do you like to
wherever
go?
my friends bring me, they're just like,
Where do you go? Where have your friends brought you that you thought, oh, I quite like this, the food's nice, I'd come back?
I don't think there's lots of places in New York, but definitely almost everything in Europe.
So anywhere in Moscow particularly that we can recommend?
I haven't been there for a while. I left when I was like, have no money. And
Oh shit, so
yeah,
you didn't go,
I
you
didn't
weren't
really go
eating out,
anywhere.
nothing fancy. Holiday?
Favorite holiday?
And
Every holiday.
Every holiday. And hotel? Have you been to a hotel that you particularly liked, even on a job?
I really liked staying in... What's the name of this hotel? I guess it's Grand Hotel in Paris.
Oh yeah?
I stayed there last time. It was like really, really nice one.
You liked it?
I liked it. I also like staying in Standard. I know it's really
The
hipster
Standard
one,
here?
Yeah, in LA.
The LA Standard?
Yeah, I mean it's
On
really
Sunset.
it's really obvious.
But
I'm
you
just like,
like it?
I'm like, okay, I like it.
Did you go to any other ones in LA?
Yeah, I'm just trying to book every time I go there a different
One.
Yeah, different one. But I feel like I like the Standard. It's a nice one.
Good. Yeah, I ate only a couple of weeks ago there. At, you know, the little cafe diner thing at the bottom. Favorite. Okay, favorite food. Meal.
I love food, but favorite food. Okay, if we talk about sweets, my favorite sweets, it's like it's a Russian.
We don't have to talk about, so that's the
I
end.
like it. I like it.
So you're saying...
Oh, so you have
No.
something
You're saying
else?
sweeties come first.
Yeah.
You went straight to dessert.
Yeah. Why not?
There's no reason, but it's interesting that you're a sweet lover.
Because I'm not a sweet lover. Because if we talk about sweets, I particularly know what I like better. So
Okay,
here I don't
you
have
just
to think.
know.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
just like
Yeah,
easy
yeah,
way.
yeah.
I like this Russian one called Zephyr. It's like sort of a marshmallow, but it's just like healthy marshmallow. I like whatever.
Is there such a thing?
I love it. Yeah, about like a normal food.
Is there organic zephyr?
Also, yeah.
Biodynamic zephyr? What is it?
What
Is
is
it
it?
just sugary shit? Like it's a marshmallow, is what you're saying?
No, I mean that's not. That's like sort of marshmallow, but originally it's made from like a juices and stuff. There's
Oh,
just
yeah?
like a sugar that's more like a sugar
Ah.
than the fruit sugar, I guess.
And you get that at the end of a meal in Russia.
For this, I mean,
You'd have a packet of them in your bag?
I wish. I have to go to Brighton Beach for it.
Oh yeah, that's right. So it's a Russian speciality.
Yeah.
Ah, wicked. And main food? Okay, so
Let's say sushi.
sushi?
'Cause, yeah,
You like it?
I love Japanese food.
Okay, amazing. Favorite exercise? Do you exercise at all?
I feel like I just like...
You don't have to.
No, I do. I like cardio the best. Just running.
Running.
Yeah. In the gym.
What distance do you run?
Just...
You just go out and you
I
stop?
just go, yeah, I just...
You
I
run and
just-
then you
just
stop
go-
running?
Yeah.
Is there a time? Do you run for a certain amount
Yeah,
of
I
time?
feel, yeah, they're just mostly for them. I have like a free 40 minutes. I go run for 40 minutes.
40-minute run.
I mean, if I just don't want to do any other exercise, I'm like, okay, I just
Oh,
gonna
yeah?
run for 40 minutes. I'm not really good with sports. I'm just like, okay, I just
Fair
gonna run.
enough. Yeah, good. That's very good. Animal.
My favorite animal?
Are you an animal lover?
No.
So is that going to be harder or easier?
It's, I like birds. I like
Birds are great.
hummingbirds. Are pretty.
Wicked. I love hummingbirds. Favorite social media is obviously Instagram.
That's Instagram. I'm not really. Yeah, I feel like just because I spend more
Time on it.
than anyone. Or in WhatsApp, it's just like WhatsApp. Or
WhatsApp?
Like, yeah, because I just talk to my friends and family there.
Wicked. Thank you for not answering half of the questions
You're
today. It's been a pleasure and a sensation talking to you today. Sasha, thank you so much for telling
Thank
me what
you.
your favourite things are. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Bye.